Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here on the Ethereum chart, we can identify that the price dipped into this support area early in February and then has tried to reverse out of it in the last few days. That was from the swing low from the 9th of February. Price action was quite constructive, but then I don't like how this move down unfolded. This is the latest micro support area I shared with members yesterday on Discord. It looks to me as if it will break. Okay, so I already said yesterday that it's likely forming a fifth wave down. I've marked this here only with a question mark for good reason, because while we had a, let's say, promising price structure to the upside, which could have been wave one of a diagonal pattern, the pullback here does indeed look like a 5-wave move down, and we've already reached the 78.6 FIB level. And okay, it could still hold if it gets a U-turn to the upside from here. So we leave it on the chart. It's something to watch for. Invalidation point for the immediate breakout pattern is the swing low that formed on Sunday, located at around $2,525. But it's not a high confidence scenario, I can tell you that. It's not a high confidence scenario. And it is important to understand that the 1-2 setup to the upside would be based on a diagonal structure as well. The wave 2 is already very deep. The wave 1 is only a 3-wave move. So yeah, it's low confidence, especially given what Bitcoin did yesterday. That last dip, end of the day, really didn't need to happen from a bullish point of view. So what does it mean for Ethereum? It means that a break below the red line is likely. I mean, we're still holding support, so it might be worth watching if the bulls can turn up from here, but then it takes a break above the swing high from yesterday, 2,727, to indicate that, yeah, the bulls are taking the lead. And then it could take the price to the next upside signal line that we have on the chart. This would be the next main resistance, I would say. And here this is at around 2,857. And then above that level, we've got 2,927 as next key upside target. Also, important to mention that any break below the red line, here at 2,525, and I already assume it will probably break, but never give up. Never give up on a let's say 1-2 setup until it's really broken. But still, it needs to prove itself for me, from my point of view. So the next attempt or next level where Ethereum could attempt to form a low is, in my opinion, the 2,400 level. I mean, the next one is 2,493. But it seems likely that if the price breaks below the red line, 2,400 is, decent distance away, that the price has some space. Obviously, if support breaks, it means that the price needed another leg down, right, to complete the correction, needed a bit more time, and that the low that formed here on Sunday just was not enough. So this correction was not enough to correct the entire move up that happened on the 3rd of February into the high, where the price topped at around 2,927, and then I think 2,500. I mean, it's the golden ratio level. It's the key level to watch, so I would pay attention to that. And then 2,270, but even below that level, then a drop to 1,800 becomes more likely, right? So for now, I think it would look quite good with one more low. Okay, it's not needed, but it would look quite good with one more low. But then I cannot rule out, let's say, a small crash. It's quite a lot, actually, down to 1,800, which would be in line with our larger pattern on the daily time frame, which we can take a look at again in the next video. But for now, we'll have to pay attention today if the market can turn around before breaking the red line and break above yesterday's swing high. If not, then 2,400 will likely be next key support. Yeah? And overall, then, the next move to the upside might unfold and take the price overall then to new all-time highs. I mean, this is literally from where a large degree rally should unfold. And it's often when everybody gets bearish that the bulls turn up. But for now, there is not yet enough evidence that this is already a breakout pattern. We need a bit more patience. So not much more to say, really. The only other thing that we could mention here is a parallel trend channel that we could draw, because we have 3 touch points there. So could this lower boundary line of that trend channel be a good, let's say, offer good support for yeah, could that offer good support for the bullish case, yeah, for the wave 2 pullback, or if we get another low here for this wave 5 of C of 2. Just something to watch. I mean, these often break, they're not so reliable, but still something, an additional set of parameters to watch for. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.